So here we have the Blizzard Bonafide at 98 underfoot. It is fairly wide for a piste ski, but I would say it's definitely happy in the powder as well. With carbon in the tip and the tail, it's got reduced swing weight, so turn initiation is going to be really quick, sharp and snappy. Ball sidewall construction, so edge hold is going to be fantastic. Personally, I've skied on this and it is absolutely amazing. It's quite stiff, but that just adds to the playfulness of it and the poppiness, and yeah, it's a really great ski. So this is the Blizzard Bonafide. If you want more information on this, come in store at Ski Bartlett's in Hillingdon, or check out skibartlett.com.